This is the world famous DJ Hayes, one of the judges of Clash of the Titans Part 2. It's gonna be hot, it's going down.
In 3 words, can you describe your love for hip hop?
Yes, sir. I got more than 3 words too. Peace, unity, love, and having fun. That's what it's all about. That's what hip hop is about. That's the first rules in hip hop.
Dope. If it wasn't for hip hop, where do you think you'll be right now?
Ooh-wee. Man, I'll probably be janitor or something like that. Hip hop saved my life. So hip hop, that's what I know.
Dope. Now, what do you try to communicate to the world through your craft, whether it be breaking, MCing, or DJing?
Unity. I'm about that unity. Everything I do in hip hop is to bring people together of all nations.
Nice. What are some of the things you're gonna be expecting from the DJs?
I like to see cutting, scratching, beat juggling, mixing, blending.
Oh, and what don't you want to see?
What I don't want to see is whackness.
You a dribble whack juice,
You know?
Okay, do you have any last minute advice for the DJs?
Yo, go in there ready. Don't come in there half stepping. Be ready, cause you know DJ battles is a very serious thing. You don't want to come in there half stepping. So,
Right.
you know, get your practice on and come in there ready to hit them.
All right, cool. So can you give the people a little bit more information on who you are?
Well, DJ Hayes. I mean, you can Google me. I've been doing this for a long time. I'm a b-boy, poppin', DJ, MC, from Universal Zulu Nation, the Mighty Air Force crew.
Dope. Do you have any last minute words for the people?
Yo, let's have some fun. Come on out. Let's do it big. Have a great event.
All right, cool.